area I alone, they welcome for football in Pidgin. After match, talk am how you see them. Arsenal 2 and Fulham 1. And we get Oga Shows, we be like saying a very bonge Arsenal fan. May come tell us about how you see this game. Oga Shows, how you see Arsenal performance for this game?
Um, Arsenal, they try. You understand? They try because if they win you can't come back. That one mean say you dey for the game. Mean say na better football you play. They try, but wetin I expect from them, they not give me today, but they try to deliver that 2-1 from behind. They try.
So for you don't already to say they try now. For this match now, who be your standout player? Which player be your man of the match?
I no go feel right Odegaard out. I no go feel right Martinelli out because of the workforce and the workload wey they put. Because Odegaard deliver as a captain and as a midfielder. Those he passes, he show am today. Then Martinelli, you see that in bites, he bring her come. You get one of Fulham defender Robinson. Saka no fit hold that guy. And when Martinelli call change wing, now Martinelli call take hold the guy. He walk on her well. He put body for him. So those people they try. For me to pick who try pass, go hard me. Because I see Martinelli work rate. He crosses. He always hold the ball. He always pass the ball. He deliver the ball. Odegaard self come as in he come the time he say we really need them. Come deliver. So those two can be my man.
Okay, may I ask you about Gabriel Magalhaes now? We see the mistake when he make for that Fulham goal. Yeah. But what do you get to talk about the player reaction? How he react after he don't make that mistake? Even as some players, after they make that kind of mistake, that game don't finish for them. But what do you get to talk about this defender reaction to that mistake when he make?
Well, say for defenders, you not get defender who say not get red card. You not get defender who not get own goal. You not get defender who not they cause blunder. Any defender who not they cause blunder, the one with the sit down bench. So for that guy to carry himself come back, even when he say don't fuck up, for Arsenal to conceive that first goal, that one goal, it means say the man get determination to win the game, and it means say. The ball dey for it, but it means say the club self he dey for his back. It means say he carry the club for his back. So for him to get that determination, say okay, yes, so I don't fuck up, but make I come back and give my people wetin they want. And wetin they want not be drawn and winning. And truly, the guy give us that last goal where we say he make us see the victory. So Gabriel try, he deliver, he try.
All right, make I ask you about one player now. We don't link to Arsenal for over this transfer window now. This transfer window just get only 5 days remaining. So they will not see Thomas Partey for this Arsenal midfield because get small injury.
Yes.
You think say Arsenal miss Thomas Partey and you think say Arsenal need to go for midfielder like Yuri Tielemans for that midfield?
Even before Thomas Partey never played today, I know they complain of Thomas Partey. Because why they complain of Thomas Partey? Last season where we need Thomas Partey most, now he can't go get injury. That midfield, it can't be as say maybe they open now. Come by say most of our games, come by say they play 9 against 11. So even before Thomas Partey get to the injury self, I don't the way they talk about Simba will get another replacement for Thomas Partey. So this telling us, I don't know who they hold the deal, whether na Arsenal, whether na Leicester, but who they hold this deal. If they hear my voice, anywhere way, the other I did Nigeria, other I did for UK, whether na France, whether na Korean King and the family for USA, I beg make it let the deal go. Because the reason why we collect that boy, we all know say na good midfield bites. You know, so we need somebody to they control that midfield for us. So for now, we need replacement. If we go that tough, or if we go carry the league, or if we go even play anything where they call Europa, so we can't go final. We need that midfield because I know Thomas Partey, just like my brother, I know him. When injury won't come today, go come be like say maybe they cut leg or not. See today now we say Partey not dey now, so you see that midfield, they not feel hold on. You understand? So Eleni not sharp for that midfield. Not be say the guy bad like that too, but you see that midfield, that Thomas Partey work, he not fit do am. And wetin you not sabi do, you not sabi do am. You not go fit do am. So to me, I beg anybody wey dey hold that transfer to make am complete, because 5 days e not long again. So that we go do am, the paperwork, everything, we go do am, we go register as an Arsenal player. At least I will carry this our winning long run dey go. Make it join us so that we go work together as team.
All right, now make I ask you now. 4 wins for 4 games now for Arsenal for this game now.
Yeah.
We see how last season, when it matters most, Arsenal no fit deliver. But what till you get to talk about the work when Mikel Arteta they do for this team? You think say Mikel Arteta na be the right manager wey go carry Arsenal go back to that ogbonge club when be like everybody knows say yes they did top, they challenge for league, they play for Champions League. In a very long years ago, you don't say when Arsenal play for Champions League. Like, you think say Mikel Arteta like be the right manager we go carry Arsenal go back to Champions League club?
Normally, when we say Arteta come the club, I not dey in full support of Arteta signing. You understand? Because Arsenal dey crisis where Arteta take come. You understand? And a club wey dey for crisis, you need winning, you need good management, and you need trophies.
No be lie.
So like now, so Arteta dey try. But you get one thing when I dey see Arteta dey miss. I don't know whether I go don get am this season. Arteta dey miss that winning mentality. E get some coach wey be say if you dey win themselves, e get one or two players wey be say they go bring in the game, before you know they don score.
Everything.
You understand? They don change everything. Before you know they don score. You see Guardiola, so okay, last match they win the 3-1.
Even today, sef.
Today, shey dey see am so. If you check Arteta Guardiola game, you go see am say e get somebody wey be say bring come that engine room wey be say e do some dirty work. Wey be say e come either motivate the players or na even do the work, come carry the ball, come make assist or come take score. Arteta never get that grounding. You understand? Not be say na bad guy you understand? Because like now so, if you see Arsenal squad, they dey young, promising, and now they don dey valuable. So this na wetin club sef suppose dey get. Not be just to sign player. Okay, wetin be the market value of that player in case you wan sell am, because football na still business. So for that aspect, Arteta dey try. You know say one na good coach, one na good manager. So if you see those two things, e good maybe say your coach get those two things. So for me, Arteta dey try. More just leave am. Na try dey try. But you say for that classy coach, Arteta not join.
All right, now 5 days before the transfer window go end, like how many players you think say Arsenal need before the transfer window go close if they really want compete this season?
You know say I don talk this thing before. I see they go for my 5. You know why they go for my 5?
But me and you know say 5 not dey possible for this transfer window.
You know why me? If e go dey possible, make e dey possible. You know say some players go low. Like now, we know the year of them nines. You understand? So there is Nelson. We know the year those people. We don't know where they dey, whether they still there, whether they work out for loan and all those things. Those are our normal squad. We get Europa to play. We get Carabao Cup to play. We get Premier League. We get FA Cup. Me and you know say Arsenal they go always get injury. You understand? So me and you know say they go get injury. I don't want to call people name. We say I know say they must get injury. So if we fit get those 5, at least most still get another blocking for our defense, midfield. Then you see that wing. Abemo get sharp wingers. 7-11. More will get those sharp wingers. I know they go for number 9. You. The reason why I know they go for number 9, I don't want anybody stress Gabriel. You understand? I don't want anybody stress am because the guy they give me assist.
They give you what you want.
They give me what I want, so I don't want anybody. If na any Immobile or anybody, if na see me, make day a day. But you see that number 9, make they not touch am. But when they give me wingers, because why they talk this one, so that when injury come, because if you see Arsenal last season, they progress. All of a sudden they call they lose match. If you check on an injury, when they carry under 21, they come play. Say we not even know. Up to today, I don't know many of their name. All the Pontino and the rest. And so basically, if they go give us 5 players, I beg, may they give us so that we'll get first and second level. The one way go play Champions League, may they play their Europa Cup. When they come England, the one who go play Premier League, may they play. Then the one who go play Carabao Cup, may they play. At least make some players the rest. You understand? We get goalkeeper. You understand? I know make they touch number 9. That boy and Nketiah, they do okay for me. If you see Nketiah today now, he not play top 9. You understand? So, but he just a rove around. And he tried today. The boy can't just get one kind of strong bite. I don't know that maybe they find top, whether they find first shirt too. I don't know. First team shirt too. But to me, if Arsenal give me those five signings, I go there happy well.
All right now, Oga Shozi, thank you for your time. Your face show and your shoe shine.